Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. So for those of you who are just joining us for the first time, our channel is about progressing our own skills and making projects and bits and pieces, so we're learning everything as we go. So what we have here is a delivery that we've been waiting on for about a month now, for something hopefully we're going to learn a lot about and move forward in our projects as well, which is a 3D printer by Prusa, the i3. Now, we're not sponsored by them in any way, shape or form. I'd love for them to sponsor us for some videos. So Prusa, if you're listening, please sponsor us. But otherwise, we've received this in the mail, so we're going to hack this open, we're going to have a look at it, and we're going to check it out. So this is what we have to get, obviously build, and then we're going to practice with what we're going to do, and then hopefully use some stuff for a few projects. So we're going to get into this and see what we can, see what it looks like. And the box is packaged pretty well. There's I think at some point she's been stabbed in the butt somewhere, but otherwise it's in pretty good shape. Kit MK3S Plus. So I'll open this up.
Hold up.
What?
Oh, okay.
Anyway, we got it open, we're getting into it. Let's see what we got here. Packaging for you. The Prusa, congratulations on getting your brand new original Prusa printer. Very lovely. Which is our Prusa cheat sheet. Hang on to that. We have our 3D printing handbook, assembly instructions, which is probably going to be pretty handy because we're going to have to build it. So we have the power supply. We have more bits. We have more bits and more bits. And we're going to put this on the floor. So we're going to handle the room. More bits here. More packaging there. Oh, they got a free bag of lollies. Prusa Research. This is testing protocol for what we have got. Hang on to them for later. Power cool. This looks like the print bed. We have the motor mount kit, some more there, and yeah, so there we go. So no idea. Lots of bits and pieces. So the next object is to get all these open consistently without losing anything and build us a 3D printer. Look at that. Nice new roll of grey filament. Set that to the side, put that over there. This one's a rather lighter one. What have you got in here? This is all their 3D custom printed parts that obviously come with the printer that they've printed out. So there's plenty of that buried in here. Orange and black was our chosen colour, by the way, if you guessed. Plenty of stuff. So for now, we're going to leave it at that. We're going to set up, and our next video is going to be building a printer. So we'll sit down, we'll get stuck into that, and so just jumping back into a couple of these other boxes here. Just open up this one, just full of all our handy dandy bits and pieces. Every screw under the sun, plus some plenty wiring. Got the bearings, we've got the motor drive assemblies, we've got alcohol to wipe, the heat bed glue, we've got grease, we've got data cables, we've got tools, comes with its own tools, that's pretty fancy. This would be the LCD screen. My guess is some of these are going to be IR sensors, hot ends, high-res cable. So everything that we need, all the extrusion heads and bits and pieces are in there. Oop, I'm dropping stuff. We'll be getting through all of that. And I think our last couple of boxes here is all our mounting blocks, all our bar work. Got a power supply there. But the assembly instructions. Ooh, we got some stickers. This is going to be fun. It'll be beautiful.